Hello YouTubers, this is Edgar here. At this time I'm in my sister's room to show other of my demonstration video. Since after I take a break from my other of this video, here's another demonstration that I never get a chance to show this time. It's the 12-inch oscillating table fan. This is the fan that my sister recently got this at Walmart yesterday. This is a 12-inch fan right here. This is a standalone fan. It also has the oscillated fan on this one. Is where you tell about it. Oscillate or unoxidated. And it has a full 3 function fans on this one. From number 3 to number 1. It's supposed to go from number 1 to number 3. And you can see it. Here's the back of the fan. And that grill fan on this one. And it has a clear fan, which is cool. And in addition to that, it came with a box to show this one. This is the 12-inch oscillating table fan. It's made by Mainstays. Yep. It has a lightweight design. All 3 speeds with a push of button control. 80 degrees oscillation and built-in handle. It also has an adjustable tilting head, which I'll show you later. And this is the front of this. And you can see the front of the box. And here are the side. Yep, like the ones I showed this one. The front and the back, or the back and the front. It has a table fan features including 12-inch, 30.5 centimeters blade diameter, 3 speeds push button control, 80 degrees oscillation like the ones I said, built-in handle and easy to clean. Even if it gets dirty, well, use it with some of the rags or sponges. And it has a 1-year limited warranty. You can see the specs in here. If you want to read it. And here are the this information here. This logo's there, and it's black. And the other side, it has in Spanish, like I already showed you in English. And on the back, has Spanish on it. You could see this one. And on the bottom, it is made in China. But a lot of people saying a complaint about the tariffs and some other and people refuse to do that. Well, you can see the customer service info and some of the barcodes and plastic, and find out at walmart.com. You could also go on that. And you know what's interesting was in inside the box. Here's the foam, the brown foam, the plastic bags, and more plastic bags and everything. You can see here. Here are the instructions. Oh, and before that, I'm going to show this one. It says, "Thank you for purchase." Yep, if you want to do this thing, and you can see it. It said stop. Or if you want to call for this customer service or anything there, and in Spanish. It really looks like that. The big stop sign on here. And now on to the instructions or a manual. You could see that this is the main page on this instructions. I'm gonna through that quick. So Here's the important safety instructions. That's all I got. So I'm not the one who brought a fan here in my room. So I'm still in my sister. It says parts name. If you want to do the parts and everything there, as you could see here. And there's the base assembly and assembly of blade and grills. And operating system is like an operation instruction. And you can see all other stuff. That includes with the user servicing instructions. It's where you tell exactly the way I've been trust on this servicing. Here's the plug, and also a maintenance instruction. And clean is how you clean this the fans and everything, the grills and the whole thing. It also has the service and support. There's the toll-free, the questions and everything there. And that's all there is. You can go on that. And that's all there is. This is in English. Here in Spanish. Yeah, all these instructions in Spanish after the English. Yep, same thing. Same stuff, and that's all I can tell. This is the one that we handled with this. And yeah. So, there you go with that. I'm gonna leave this here so I could put it back after I'm done making a film for this demonstration video. And now this is the fan. So, we bought it at Walmart yesterday for around like $20, or should I say $19.46. Yep. Unfortunately, there's no logo there, so, but I'm gonna show you this demonstration. And now I'm gonna turn on this fan right now, where it says number 3. And you can hear the fan sounds like. So it must be low or high, depends on that. Now go over to number 2. This is the medium fan. And then for number 1, it's the low fan. So if I go back to number 3, watch this. So if I go to oscillating fan, in it, I'm gonna push the oscillating fan. Yep. The number 2. So this is actually a rather quiet fan on that. And number 1. And now I'm gonna turn off the fan once I've done. And there you go. So this is an amazing fan that everyone loves the whole thing. That everyone gets his own. We bought it at Walmart for around $20, and it still works. I know a lot of these out there, especially when we bought some of the models like Mainstays or any other kind of a Walmart brand. You gotta have this table fan. So tell us what you think about this video. Just leave a comment, and for more of other videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So I will do other of my videos very soon, but for now, this is Edgar 1976. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, and before that, I forgot to show you what the tilted fan looks like. The ones if you just saw this in the box. This fan, it tilts on that. If you want to tilt a fan in some kind, or if you want to tilt the fan, just put it back as it is. So yeah, and there you go.